The gargling noise was coming from my discharge line, which is this one. Seems like water was getting back into the pump, but when I shined my light in it, the level of water was not filling back up. So I took it apart because I want to check the check valve. These things have check valves in them. In most pumps, the check valve is going to be in here. It's a little ball. It's a little ball that when the pump goes up, the ball, it goes up, lets the water discharge. Then when the water stops discharging, the ball sits seated down here and no water could backflow because the ball is seated in a fitted position. This type of pump has a plastic type of check valve. It appears to be malfunctioning. I don't really like this kind. See? So this is it. So when the pump discharges, this goes up, lets the water out. When it stops, it sits back down. The problem is this is not working properly. So we'll see if the company wants to just replace the pump with a normal pump. This has my check valve in it. You hear it? So if you were to blow on this side, no air is gonna go past. If you blow on this side, which is the side that goes down, you could blow right through it. Again, you can't blow through this side. No air could pass through this side. This is the discharge side where the water is discharging. This is the inlet side. You can blow through this. The check valve is, the ball is in here. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Each one teach one. Check you guys later.